Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel Creating Funories. So as we shared the experience of snow with you, our first snowfall, now we are going to share our experience of snowfall when the whole area under our home became white. So we are going for a drive, and we will even like to share how it feels to drive here in the snow, and we'll show you around all the area that has become white as snow. So crazy ride begins here. So here is the snow and the snow white all around. So it's 10:57 in the night and it has been raining since morning. As evening was coming, the temperature was dropping down. We could see that the area around us was becoming more and more white, and we could see more and more snow. My God! Look at the cars!
Oh my god, he's landing on the snow. This is actually snow.
Seeing the summers and then seeing the winters, the extreme weathers, the extreme contrast in our life. So guys, this is all the Christmas decorations. These are the real plants. Can you just see the snow on them? It's looking so pretty. It is so amazing, being out. And you can see the people around walking, when you are properly covered, nothing is difficult here. And here comes a ride to fun and enjoyment, right? So how was your experience driving in the snow?
यार सिंपल सी बात बोलूं तो मजा आ रहा है 4x4 हो रही है नहीं हो रही है बट गाड़ी फुल कंट्रोल में है सो आई एम एंजॉयिंग मेरा पर्पस अभी आने का सिर्फ यही था बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट सीजन सो आई डोंट वांट टू हैव एनी सरप्राइजेस इन द डे टाइम व्हेन आई एम गोइंग समवेयर सो अभी मैंने अपने आप को थोड़ा कंफर्ट जोन में लिया है आई नो इट्स अ फ्रेश स्नो but still I am checking the braking distance and everything, so everything looks good as of now and I'm excited for the winter season now.
And I loved it too! My God! The view is just amazing.
But it's just the beginning.
I know.
This is free.
बस यार एक चाय की दुकान या आई एम मिसिंग अ टी स्टॉल.
Philly Cafe.
इस मौसम में गरम चाय मिलना
गरम चाय का प्याला हो.
How is it? Now pick up with your hands and make a ball.